When you pay international contractors depends on their payment terms and requests, as well as your business's typical accounts payable process. Hey there, Will Lopez here from Gusto. When you're thinking about when to pay international contractors, I suggest that you start by asking your contractor what their preferences are. Then you can either accommodate them or find a way to meet in the middle. Making this decision requires a discussion and alignment. And when the two of you finally decide, make sure that you and your contractor create, review, and sign a written contractor agreement or statement of work, SOW, so that you're on the same page. I've added a great blog you can reference in the description of this video about written contractor agreements. Check it out. One thing to note, common payment structures for international contractors include upfront payments, certain percentages upfront, then the rest upon project completion, payment upon project completion, payment in installments or upon milestone completion, monthly payments, and even retainers. And if you're looking for an easy way to hire, pay, manage international contractors, Gusto has everything you need.